on anamorphic content. That's the latest in trend, and I guess we are doing a fairly good job around it. We check out screen, so to a naked eye, if there is something happening in 3D, it's quite eye-catching. So because of that, I think we are able to break the clutter into a very crowded place. Second way that we try to work around is highlighting certain product trends of brands, and then we've got some proprietary methods of creating that outlook, so we can have the whole image static and only one particular element. So we call it a single element highlight. We work on creating a unit usually. So we suggest brands that we'll put these 3-4 aspects into one single unit and let that unit animate. So animation is one method that we can use. Like I said, a lot of negative space. I recall Mr. Sanbalsara's words where he once mentioned that anything beyond 6 words or 5 words is a waste on outdoor. So we highly recommend that creative agencies to work on when you make an ad for a magazine or newspaper, there's enough time to hold and read. But on the outdoor space, it has to be very quick. It has to be just so fast that you can read it at a speed of 60-80 kilometers per hour. I see that the content is going to get sharper. Creative agencies have started understanding, marketers have started understanding the same ads cannot be just adapted. Now, if you see a lot of beautiful ads created for airline brands like Emirates, very, very small messages. Again, depends on the objective of the campaign. If it is ROI driven, then there's a QR code that's important. So all totally depends on the objective of campaigns. But I see that out of home and DOH advertising needs to get sharper. We have a complete VFX team that works on the understanding of a context, and then we create the ads based on that. So we help tweak that principal master campaign to a little more sharper out of home campaign. We keep updating ourselves. We are about time that we start using Unreal Engine and advanced softwares in VFX. So we work on a lot of green screen shoots, alpha channel shoots. So which is the need of the art. So whenever now there is an ad that is going to be shot for TV, we recommend creative companies to collaborate with us and also shoot something that can make a dynamic difference on the outdoor market. So they can collaborate with us and we can help them channelize that whole shoot so that the later VFX can be done much smoother and much better. So we are actually now at a very advanced stage of content development. We as a company have a vision that DOH content has to be developed by a DOH understanding creative team.